Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm gonna be doing another one in the series One Palette 3 Looks, and today's palette is gonna be the Zodiac palette. This is the palette that KathleenLights and Colourpop created together. It looks like this. It's a very beautiful palette. I did a review on this palette. I'm gonna link it up here. It's just such a beautiful palette and it has so many pops of colors, and I just wanted to experiment with it to try to do different looks and to see how creative I can get with it. So yeah, that's why I decided to do this video. This is probably still available. If you want more details about the palette and the whole collection, go watch my review video. But other than that, I think we're just gonna start. All right, come closer. So I haven't really done this on my other videos where I tried to do 3 different looks with one palette, but for today's look I'm gonna try to recreate this makeup that Kathleen had. This was done by her friend Gabby, and I'm not sure what she used. I think she used Alamar Cosmetics, but I'm gonna try to recreate it with this palette right here because I think it's a very pretty look and I think I can create it with this palette right here. All right, let's start. So first I'm gonna take the color Taurus right here. I'm gonna start by putting that on my crease. This is a very beautiful brown shade. I really liked it. And just like I said on my review video, it's a very beautiful neutral shade. It's not too warm, it's not too cool. I usually take my crease color very high up because I have hooded lids and it doesn't really show so much when I look straight. But I'm gonna try to keep things a little bit more concentrated for this look and drag it outwards. Okay, I think that should do it. Now I'm gonna go in with the Sagittarius, which is a very beautiful purple shade, and I'm gonna basically create the shape of the look. I'm gonna put it on my crease and my outer corner, but I'm gonna try to have it as controlled as possible, trying to blend out at the same time, and this way we're gonna create a very beautiful gradient effect. It really looks that this look was created with this palette, but I'm not 100% sure. I don't remember, but we're gonna try to recreate it. And I'm gonna take the Virgo right here and I'm gonna deepen up everything. I'm gonna start with a small pencil brush and then try to blend things out afterwards because just like I said, I want it very controlled and I don't want the brown to cover the 2 other colors that we put on our crease, and it's gonna be easier to create a shape with this brush. Yeah, as I can see, she has her inner corner quite defined. It's such a beautiful look and it looks so stunning on her. I'm gonna be careful with creating the V here. I want to lift it up like this, and then I'm gonna take my blending brush and try to soften up the edges and put a little bit more of that purple on the crease. Okay, I feel like it looks quite alright. Let's dust off the fallout, which it wasn't so much, but you know. And now I'm gonna do my lid shade, and I feel like Gemini right here is gonna be the perfect color for that. It looks quite similar to what she's wearing. I'm gonna basically cover the whole lid. This color is so stunning and I really love the formula of this shade. It's so easy to pick up on a brush because many shimmering shades are not always so easy to pick up on synthetic brush or like in brush in general. But this formula works very well with a brush. I feel like it wasn't so high up. I'm gonna take that brown and try to cover it a little bit. And then I'm not gonna completely cover the edges. I'm gonna leave some right there. I'm gonna try to blend things out. Something like this. Okay, and I'm gonna take this color right here, which is called the Cancer, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone with it. Ah, it's beautiful. And also my inner corner. Ooh, that is such a stunning color for inner corner. And now I'm gonna do the lower lash line, and I'm gonna basically use the same colors that I used on my lid. I'm going with Taurus first, and I'm gonna put it across my lower lash line. And now I'm taking the Virgo and I'm just gonna deepen up the outer corner much closer to the lower lash line than the first color. It actually looks like she has a dark shade all over the lower lash line, so I think I'm gonna do that. And then I'm just gonna blend things out one more time. Some more inner corner highlight. I think that's pretty much it. I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be back to show you the end result. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I think it came quite close. I'm quite happy and those colors look very nice together. Alright, I'm back for the second look, and this time I really want to use those 2 blue shades right here, so I'm gonna figure out a way to do that. So I think I'm gonna start with Aquarius right here, the Aquarius. I'm gonna try something different. And I'm gonna put it in my crease first and then blend it out. Maybe this brush is too hard. So I'm gonna take another brush, which is a little bit fluffier. And I think I'm gonna do like a cut crease because these colors really inspire me. I really want to put the Pisces all over my lid. And the thing with this palette is it doesn't have so many matte shades, so that's why you are a little bit limited to what you can use in your crease. But of course you can use it in combination with Dream Street palette or any other palette. I'm gonna drag it right here and try to put less and less color there. It does have some fallout, but it's not a big deal. I really packed a lot of color in there, that's why I guess. And I'm gonna go in with Taurus right here. I'm gonna basically blend out the edges of the blue that we just put. I'm not gonna put it everywhere, only at the edges. Now, I'm not sure I like this combo, this blue and this brown. I'm just gonna go with it. I don't know what else to blend it with. And now I'm gonna cut the crease and I'm gonna be using the Pisces right here. It's so pretty. I think that this color would work best with a primer underneath or a glitter primer so that all of the glitter can stick to the base and not fall out. But still, I think it works. Or should I use concealer? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna need to use concealer to cut the crease. I thought it would be like this color that we used in the previous look. It was quite easier to cut the crease with that one. But yeah, I'm gonna be using Shape Tape. And it's okay that I already put eyeshadow there. It will cover it. It won't be a problem. And for now I'm gonna be leaving it like this. Of course it would be much better if I hadn't done the face makeup first, but you know, I think they look somewhat similar. Tried my best. And now I'm going in with the Pisces again. Okay, I think it's, oh yes, I think it's already working better. I have quite a bit of fallout, but it's mostly going away. But of course, as I said, it would have been much better if I did my eye makeup first. And now I really think that this look needs an eyeliner. And I think for that reason, I'm gonna be using the Capricorn, which is also my sign, FYI. And I'm basically gonna follow the line. It's applying really nicely on top. I'm not having any problem. Yeah, for some crazy reason I lost some of the footage, and what you're gonna see next is the finished look. I basically just put on lashes and some of the Leo in my lower lash line and just a little bit of highlighter in my inner corner, and that's it. Okay, so this is the finished look. It looks much better with lashes, just like I thought. Yeah, it's colorful and fun and I like it. Okay, now let's go ahead and do the third and final look. So for this look, I'm gonna start with Taurus and put that on my crease. And I'm gonna take the Leo right here, this beautiful pinkish orange. And I'm gonna basically apply it all over my crease. Yeah, that's a very nice color. And with my synthetic brush, I'm gonna apply it in my corner, just to make it a little bit more precise. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the iris right here with that same brush and apply it on my outer corner. It's gonna blend into each other very nicely. Alright, what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take the Virgo right here and I'm gonna basically put that all over my lash line. We need a little bit of depth. And I think I'm gonna do a little wing. And then of course my microphone stopped working and it was recording me like I was possessed. So for the rest of the video I had to use the sound that came from my camera, which is not so good, but what can we do? Yeah, the brown goes very well with the oranges. I'm gonna clean up the fallout and I'm gonna take the Taurus again. I've used this shade so many times already and I can't get enough. And we're basically done. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara and I'll be back to show you the finished look. Alright, so this is the finished look, the final third finished look. It's a very nice and simple everyday look with beautiful colors. that's all I have for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it and find it somehow helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye!